Kling AI is one of the newest publicly available AI video generators, and it's already made quite a splash in the AI community. With a sleek, intuitive interface, outstanding performance, and a generous price structure, Kling may be just what you've been looking for in a generative AI platform. Hello, I'm Jen from Awesome AIs, and welcome to part 1 of our Kling tutorial series. Today we'll be covering the basics, how to navigate the dashboard, and how to create images and videos. Stick around until the end to see just how much you can do on a free plan with this amazing AI video generator. Ready to get started? Let's go. So when you go to klingai.com, you land on what becomes the dashboard. We have options to the left, pretty simple. You can generate images or videos. And as you can see, video editor will be on board soon. Very excited about that. And finally, as you can see, there's My Assets at the bottom, which will take you to all of your previously generated images and videos. Very simple, intuitive interface. I like it a lot. All right, let's start with images. We land on a dashboard here with most of our options on the left, previous generations on the right, and our generated image will come here in this main part. In the prompt box, there's a link to Kling AI best practices, and this will open up a new tab with a really good detailed guide to prompting with Kling. You can also add a reference image on the left under the prompt box, and if you do, you will get the option to adjust the reference strength with the slider here. Right now, the only settings available are for the image's aspect ratio down here and the number of image variations you want to produce. The more you request, the more they will cost, but they are only 0.2 credits each, so you can generate literally hundreds each day if you want. All right, let's move on to the video dashboard. Okay, so for video generation, we have very similar interface with options and our prompt box on the left with our previous generations on the right, and our generated video will come in here. For text to video, your settings are a choice between creativity and relevance on a scale. You can do standard mode or professional mode if you have a paid plan. If you're on a free plan, only standard mode. Length, 5 seconds for free plans, 5 or 10 seconds for professional plans, with 10 seconds only being available in professional mode. A couple different aspect ratios, as you can see, and you can select from different camera movements: horizontal, vertical zoom, pan, tilt, roll, and master shots, which are kind of like big overall pictures. Negative prompt, optional. And that's it for text to video. For image to video, you can add an image that the AI will use as a starting point for the video. You can describe the scene and the type of movement you want in the prompt box below it. You can also toggle to add an end frame, which is what the AI will transition the video into. Your setting options are the same as in text to video, except you cannot control the camera in image to video mode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get notified when we release our video showing you how to use these tools. Kling AI is $10 a month for 660 credits, which is going to be good for 66 video generations at the standard level. Excellent price structure. However, you don't even have to pay $10 per month to get a lot out of this tool. Its free tier gives you 66 credits per day, which is about 6 videos with some images. And those are free every day. They will expire every 24 hours, but it's 6 free videos a day. I don't think there's much better pricing out there right now. If you think you'll be using it more, obviously you can opt for Pro or for Premier. And these are the prices per month. They have so many options. You can do per quarter, half year, or for the full year. So overall, Kling is an amazing value. You can work on 6 videos per day for free, which is the best offer I've seen for videos of this quality. Want more info on what Kling can do? Stay tuned for part 2 of this series, where we'll cover Kling's convenient image generation features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more of the best AI tool tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.